It's 10 p.m. and you're still stuck inside a PDF bank statements, invoices, loan tapes, the usual suspects. You're copying transactions into Excel, hopping across page breaks, fixing skewed tables from scans. If that feels familiar, you're not the only one. We've all been there. And the frustrating thing? None of that is real work. It's just the admin you have to grind through before you can actually analyze and make a call. SynStruct exists because that can't be the job. Built for finance and battle-tested in high-stakes environments, it turns messy, table-heavy PDFs into clean Excel, fast, and now it's available to individuals and small teams at a fraction of enterprise cost. So what does it actually do? You take the documents that currently ruin your evenings and upload them into SynStruct. It automatically finds the tables, stitches those multi-page monsters together, and pulls the rows into one organized view. Simple in, clean out. At its core, SynStruct is precision document intelligence for finance. It's built to be hyper-accurate and highly deterministic. Same input, same output, every time. You also get row-level confidence scores and flags anything below the threshold, so you can review by exception, not by exhaustion, focusing only on the lines that might need a quick glance. This isn't a generic AI toy. It has already helped real teams cut manual effort by around 80 to 85%. That's not a shiny demo. That's a normal Tuesday. Now that same capability is packaged so a single analyst or a lean team can use it, without needing a huge AI program behind it. Privacy. Handled. Because you work with sensitive numbers, the model is simple. Your PDFs are processed on the fly, your data isn't stored once your Excel is generated, it's never used to train our models, and everything is fully GDPR-compliant. SynStruct doesn't replace your judgment. It just gets you to the point where your judgment is needed, much faster. Start free and throw your toughest PDFs at it. If it earns its place in your week, move to pay-as-you-go and scale from there. Your workflow deserves this upgrade. Extract, analyze, transcend with SynStruct. If you're interested in more AI-infused tool hacks, or you're an enterprise looking to shape your AI strategy, get your data AI ready. Explore insights as a service, or build custom agentic AI solutions that drive real outcomes. Reach out to us.